Tired of seeing ads on your Windows computer and wondering how you can stop ads in Windows? Well, we don't realize that Windows shows ads in more places than we would expect. On the lock screen, inside apps, and even in File Explorer. But no worries, you can turn most of them off in just a few clicks. Step 1. Turn off ad tracking. This is where Windows collects data to show you personalized ads. Open Settings, click on Privacy and Security on the left, click on General. You will see 5 switches here. Turn all of them off. Most important one, let apps show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. Turning this off stops Windows from creating an ad profile about you. Step 2. Stop ads inside File Explorer. Yes, Windows can even show ads inside your folders. Let's fix that too. Open File Explorer, click the 3 dots at the top, click Options, go to the View tab, scroll down and uncheck Show Sync Provider Notifications. Click on OK. That's it, no more ads inside File Explorer. Step 3. Remove ads from the lock screen. Ever notice tips, tricks, and random fun facts on your lock screen? Those are basically ads. Here is how to remove them. Go back to Settings, click on Personalization, then click on Lock Screen. Now next, to personalize your lock screen, change Windows Spotlight to Picture. Uncheck Get Fun Facts, Tips, Tricks, and more on your lock screen. So that was it. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with someone who needs this, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tips like this.